Here's one that'll turn some heads. Check this out. 1967 Chevrolet Chevy 2, two-door sedan. $355 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 200 R4 overdrive transmission, FYI. Eagle rotating assembly. Performer RPM cam. Aluminum heads. Roller rockers. It sounds good too. We'll fire it up at the end of the video here. Let's check out the engine bay. Take a listen to it. As far as color, tequila sunrise, black painted stripes, and look at the chrome and the bright work grill up front. Definitely pops, especially with that paint. More modern headlights, as you can see. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, check out the underside interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Those are 18-inch Vision wheels, FYI. I left this window down so you take a little peek at the interior from the passenger side. And I'll give you an idea kind of on the tint. Darkness on the driver's side. Remember, check with your local and state laws as far as the darkness of the tint. And also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look at the chrome and bright work in the rear of this car also. That Chevy 2 inland, the trunk, the bumper, dual exhaust. Looks good. Now, coming around to the rear of this car, it does have a 10-bolt rear end, 308 gears, Eaton Posi. We get up to the interior, you're going to see it has Dakota digital gauges, GPS speedometer. Underneath the hood, when we get to there, you'll see ceramic coated headers, 2.5-inch exhaust underneath. If you take a look at the undersides, a little over 3,000 miles since this was built. There's an idea as far as the darkness of that tint. Let's go ahead and check out this interior a little bit closer. Look at this TMI bucket seats. Black vinyl, door panels looking good. B&M shifter, Edelbrock carb when we get underneath the hood. Windshield wipers do work. Up front, you're going to see a 2-inch cowl hood. Power antenna, and the battery is located in the trunk, FYI. Nice looking center console. Seats are free of rips, tears, holes. Back seats are like new. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Now, torque converter, lock up right here for overdrive. Start button is right here. So, the keys on. Gives us power. There's your Dakota digital gauges. And push button start right underneath there. See how easy that starts? Painted to match. Get an idea how that sounds. Like I said, this one definitely sounds healthy. Listen to that. Like I said, this one will turn some heads, looks, and sound. Alright, let's slip up to the front. I want to show you this engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, there's a look under that cowl hood. Again, 355 V8, aluminum heads, roller rockers, aluminum radiator, Edelbrock carb, intake. What a nice, tidy, clean looking engine bay. Wow. This will be a fun one for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-in shows. Hood open, hood down. It's definitely got the look. 1967 Chevrolet Chevy 2-door Porsche. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.